In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sitemap in Blogger. To begin, log into your Blogger dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps many of the technical options for your site, so it's the right place to start when you want to check anything related to search engine access and indexing. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Crawlers and Indexing. In this area, you'll see an option labeled Enable Custom Robots, TXT. Make sure this setting is turned off. This is important because if a custom robots.txt file is enabled, it can override Blogger's default behavior and may affect how search engines discover your site content. If your goal is to use Blogger's standard setup, leaving this switched off helps avoid unnecessary issues. Once you've confirmed that setting is disabled, go back to the left menu and scroll all the way down. At the bottom, click View Blog. This opens your live website in a new tab or window which lets you check the public version of your blog directly instead of viewing only the dashboard. Now that your live blog is open, go to your browser's address bar. Click at the very end of your blog's web address, then type /robots.txt and press Enter. This will open the robots.txt file for your Blogger site. This file gives search engines instructions about which parts of the site they can access. And it also helps you confirm whether Blogger is providing the correct default crawl information. When the page loads, take a moment to review what appears there. In many cases, Blogger includes the sitemap reference within this file automatically. That means search engines can use that information to discover your sitemap and crawl your content more efficiently. This is especially useful if you want your blog posts and pages to be found and indexed properly. As a quick tip, make sure you type the address exactly at the end of your site URL without removing any part of the original web address. Even a small typo can lead to an error page instead of the correct robots.txt file. It's also a good idea to check this on your live blog rather than from inside the dashboard, just to make sure you're looking at the public-facing version. And that's it. By checking your Blogger settings and opening the robots.txt file on your live site, you can verify how your sitemap is being handled in Blogger.